ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनर्मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलना वैचित्र्यचेत्रीकृतं मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महा योगी वयस्वेच्छया। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। So Dakshinamurti Bhagavan is saluted here as the Jagat Karanam. In Purva Shloka, means in first Shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotram, Dakshinamurti Bhagavan was saluted as the enlightened Jiva, because यह साक्षात कुरुते प्रबोध समये स्वात्मानम एवा द्वयम तस्मै नमः। The one who has done sakshatkar, to that Dakshinamurti is namaskar. So in that, Jiva who has attained his own Brahmatva. In this one, the one who is Mayavi iva Vijrumbhate, Mahayogi iva Vijrumbhate, the one who projects this creation, he is Dakshinamurti. To that Dakshinamurti is Namaskara. In Tika, we are on page 44, and the Pankti is that what is there in all तथा च सर्वेषु विशेषेषु कार्य कारण भावाद्यात्मना विभाव्यमानेषु इदम अयम तात इत्यादि उल्लेख योग्यम यद अव्यभिचारी, that which is avyabhichari, uncontradicted in all these different states or different states of karyam, because they are all different states of effect only. Karanam is one, karyam are all, everything else other than sat is karyam. And there how it appears as sanmatram. So karanam is anugatam in karyam as sadrupena. So this chintanam, if it increases and I do sakshatkar of that, that is realization that I also see everything as sadrupa. Sadrupa in the sense that sat alone, which is none other than myself, is appearing as this jagat. Sat Shabda, how it is formed? Sat Shabda is as dhatu and shatru pratyaya. As dhatu shatru pratyanta rupam, and in that akara lop will happen and shatru pratyas shakara also will go. So you will have sa a ta, that will become sat. Then in pullinga it will become san, in strilinga it will become sati, and napunsakalinga it will be sat. So san ghataha, san pataha, san hasti. In this way, if you remember in Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 16th shloka bhashya, Nasato vidyate bhava, in this way it is presented there. And if it is Napunsakling, then San Pushpam, San Pustakam, in this way. I mean, Sat Pushpam, Sat Pustakam. So, Napunsakalinga will be Sat. Sanmatram anugamyamanam asti tadeva sarvasya upadanam. That is the upadanam for all. And that has to be Brahma alone. Tacha Brahmaiva nanyat iti. So, that Brahma alone is Sat. So, Sat alone is how it is presented as in Chandogya's chapter. Saya esho animai etadaatmyamidagam sarvam tat satyam sa atma tattvamasi. So that is tattvamasi, that is you, that is Atma. And that alone is Ayam Atma Brahma. So with that Mahavakya, you know this Atma is Brahma. Nanyat iti bija iva ankuro jagadidam swantargatam. Like a seed is there in the sprout. Bija iva ankuraha. Idam jagat, this entire Brahmanda, swa antargatam, it is in that, means inside one's own self, yo vijrumbhayati, the one who projects outside from one's own self. Tasmai namaha, to that creator. Mean that is also I alone. Aham eva, I am that creator, Atma. Tasmai namaha ityartha. So namaskara will be, when I realize this, then namaskara will be in the form of just being that. Tarhi yatha bijasyankura janane salila dhama tej adyaneka sahakari apeksha drashta तथास्य ब्रह्मणो जगज्जनने किम अस्ति उत नास्ति. So then in that case, tarhi means then in that case, tada yatha bijasya ankura janane, just as for bija to become ankura, seed to become sprout, you need salila, you need water, you need dhama. Dhama means you need land where Prithvi Tattva is required for bija to become Ankura. Then Teja, sunlight, etc. Adi aneka sahakari apeksha drashta. All these sahakari karanas are also required, that is seen. Tatha asya brahmano jagat janane kim asti. Then for this Brahma jagat janane, for this srishti, what is kimasti? Kimasti means Brahmano jagat janane kimasti means सहकारी अपेक्षा किम सहकारी अपेक्षा अस्ति उत नास्ति. So for that Brahma, which sahakari karanas apeksha is there or it is not there, that is the question. Asti chet, if there is sahakari karana apeksha, sahakarya apeksha means sahakari apeksha, it is not sahakari apeksha. So then sahakari karana apeksha, that you have to understand. अस्ति चेत एकमेवा द्वितीयम नान्यत किंचन मिश्रत इति श्रुति विरोधः. If there is some other thing that is required, then ekam dvitiyam nanyat kinchan mishrata, such shruti virodha will be there. So we say actually there is nothing that is needed. Nasti. Nasti chet drashta virodha. Iti ataha. If you say there is no sahakari apeksha, This is drashta virodha. Now what is drashta virodha? He doesn't explain. Drashta virodha means everything is how pratyaksha virodha is there? That is in Drishtanta. In Darshtanta there is Pratyaksha Virodha. You have to show. How? Because Ghatad looks different from Pata. If Sat Matra is this Karanam and there is no Sahakari Karanam, then everything should look same. Right? But everything doesn't look same. That means there is something else other than Sat also. If, let us say, only one Karanam is there, then all effects should look the same. So here, all effects, they don't appear same. There is some variety. So that is the Drashta Virodha. Iti, in Drishtanta, of course, there is Drashta Virodha. In Darshtanta also you can see, if you say Brahma alone is there and that is the Upadanam and there is no other Nimitta, where do you see this? I can't see that. So it is said, Aha Punariti Punaha Srishtikale Prapte Mayaya Devatma Shaktim Swagunair Nigudham. Punaha, so this was explained earlier, this Punaha. It was said why you are using Punaha, right? Did we cover that or it is not come yet? It hasn't come probably. Punaha Srishtikale Prapte. So, and once again, when Srishtikala comes, then Mayaya Brahmanaha Shaktitvena Ye deshaha kalascha kalpita. In this way you read the Vakya first. Punaha Srishtikale prapte. When Srishtikala has come, then Mayaya, what is Maya? Maya is Brahma Shakti. So Mayaya Brahmanaha Shaktitvena Ye deshascha kalascha kalpita. By Maya, desha kala. This is the Sahakari sadhana. So Maya is the Sahakari sadhana and Maya which projects Deshakala. What is Maya? Devatma Shaktim Swagunair Nigudham. It is the Shakti of Paramatma. Here they have given Aitareya 2 number Tippani is wrong. This 2 number Tippani is for where there is one number. And where there is Ekameva Dvitiyam, there you should have Tippani number 1. This is Tippani number 3, which is Shvetashvatar Upanishad. So it is the Shakti of Paramatma which is hidden by its own power. So Tamoguna is the power because of which it hides itself. Ityadi Shrutau Brahmanaha Shaktitvena Nirdishta, not Nirdishtaya, Nirdishta. Kalpita. So Kalpita Shabda is there in Shloka. Maya Kalpita. Deshaha Kalascha. So Kalpita Deshakala, Maya Kalpita Deshakala, that is in Samastapada, Mayaya Kalpitaha Deshaha Kala. In this way you have to understand. No, Nirdishta Kalpita. In this way, correction is given, I think, if you see at the back. उपलक्षणम एतत् तत्तत् कार्य साधना नामपि, and this desha kala is upalakshana. Everything that comes as sahakari sadhanam is all maya karyam. So maya desha kala is upalakshanam, that is the main one. Everything else is also there. What is that? Tattat karya sadhana namapi. To accomplish that karya, whatever else is required, like for ghata, how you need other sahakari karanam, for pata you need different, turi, vema and all those things, tantu. Then here you need kulala, danda, chakra. So different sahakari karanams are there for each. Tesham kalana sambandha visheshaha. Punah Shabda, another commentator, how he explains, he says, because in the shloka, Bijasyantari Vankuro Jagadidam Prang Nirvikalpam. So earlier Nirvikalpam, then Punah Maya Kalpita Deshakal. So he says, it is not Punah, it is Punah. Means it is not only one time, you have to understand Punah as again and again. In this way it just goes on. So within creation also, all the smaller creations that keep happening. You destroy one building, another building is created, one whole town gets destroyed, another town is created, forest fire is there, so much forest land is destroyed, again it is created in this way. And then like some places are there, they are completely covered by water, submerged in water, and suddenly some new island is formed because the volcano erupts. So in this way also, within creation so many things happen. People are born and die, they born and die endlessly. And then of course the entire dissolution and creation, that is the main one. Tesham kalana. What is kalana? Sambandha visheshaha. Tasmad, sambandha vishesha means maya kalpita desha kala kalana. Due to the vishesha sambandha with desha and kala, that one thing appears as so many. Tasmad vaichitriam. Tena chitrikritam. And therefore there is variety. By that, this variety, everything appears. Vividha vishesha avasthapannam ityartha. Vividha vishesha avastha. Varieties of avasthas are seen, many and varied. They are many in number and they are all different also. अवस्थापन्नम इत्यर्थ. एतेन ब्रह्मणः कारणत्वस्य. By this, what is shown, Brahma is the Jagat Karanam. And Brahmanah Karanatwasya Mayamayatva Upapadanat. Mayamayatva is the Upapadanam. Means you can understand this in this way. Brahman as though has taken Maya. Upapadanam means that it has accepted for this projection, or Brahma with Maya as the Upadanam. Brahmanah Karanatvam is Maya Mayatvam. Brahman is Karanam as Maya Mayatva. By that, Upapadanat Arambhavadaha, Parinamavadaha, Svabhavadascha Nirakritah. Arambhavada is this Parmanu Vada. Arambhavada Kanabhakshapakshaha. संघातवादस्तु भदंत पक्षः, परिणामवाद तु सांख्य पक्षः, वेदांत पक्षस्तु विवर्तवादः. वेदांत इज विवर्तवाद, सांख्यवाद इज परिणामवाद. कणभक्ष पक्षः is Kanada means Vaisheshika, Nyaya Vaisheshika. So they were the main ones in the Vartika, in the opposition. So couple of other hetus also for Arambhavada you can give. For example, because they say that something was not there and it is a new creation, it is an Arambha. Why they say? Because their hetu is what? That in clay, is pot available or not? So we say yes, it is available, it is unmanifest. They say it is not available, that's why you have to do something. If it was available, then you would not do any karma. So they say anupalabhyamanatva. So our answer is this. If there is a cloth, for example, right? Let us say there is a 10-meter cloth. When you keep it open, it is cloth. Okay? Let us say you fold it. When you fold it, it becomes very small. You can put it inside one small space. Is it available? Let's say you put it in drawer. Somebody will say, I want 10-meter cloth. I don't see any 10-meter cloth here. You say, don't worry, we'll produce it. And from inside you bring it out. So their reasoning is anupalabdha. It is not upalabdha, it is there. All you have to do is just make it available. That's all. Another reason they give is that the size. If it was, when inside the clay, if the pot is there, or inside in the tantu, if the pata is there, then the difference between the size of tantu and pata should not have been there. So pata's parimana is bigger, tantu's parimana is smaller, therefore they are different. Karya is different, Karanam is different. That's why Karyam is Arambha. So we say that is also not a valid point. Just like how I gave this example. The folded cloth has almost very small size. And when you open it, it becomes so big. So the size does not matter as far as Karya Karana is concerned. Then their classic reasoning is this. Okay, then if you are saying Karya and Karana are same, then you bring water in clay. Why do you need pot? So we say this is what they called as Vilakshana Karya Karitvam. So we have answer for that. We say when you do pranayama, if you block your prana, if you do prana nirodha, then what will happen? You will not be doing any other activity. If you just stop your breath, then all you will do is just remain where you are, but life will be there. No other activity can be seen. Same prana, when they are active, when nirodha is not done, then they can do prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana, all kind of activity, and physical activity of this person also can be seen. Therefore, when the effect is withdrawn, in the cause, it has different function. When the effect manifests as some new entity, so called, according to Arambhavada people, that new entity can do different function. What is wrong? Pranas, when withdrawn, can do only life sustenance. But when they are released and they are active, you can do so many things. So clay cannot do like holding water or carrying water from one place to another place, or cannot become a room for person to stay. But when it is employed properly, then it can be used. So in this way, Arambhavada has all these limitations. And Parinamavada, the Sankhya Yoga Darshan, so our main contention to them is that it is Shruti Virodha. In Shruti, there is no mention of Pradhanam at all. In no Shruti talks about Pradhana, Shabda itself. Ikshater na Shabdam. So, and then Parinamavada means in Vyavahara we will accept Parinamavada, but not as Satyam. And in Brahma there is no Parinama. Brahma is the Karanam, which is not, there is no Parinama, there is Vivarta. Swabhavavada, that everything is its own Swabhava, then you don't ask Karya Karana question. This Swabhavavada people, no, it is the nature, it is the nature. Then there is no questioning. Like those people who say, oh, it is God's will, God has thought this, God wants it this way. Then don't ask why there is sorrow in my life. Why am I suffering? Why? The same answer you give. But remember, it is not the correct answer, because nadatte kasyachit papam nachaiva sukritam vibhuhu ajnanenavrutam jnanam tena muhyanti jantavaha. Vibhuhu, Paramatma, doesn't take anybody's papa, anybody's punya. It is ajnanam, ajnanamatra, ajnanenavrutam jnanam. Jantavaha tena muhyanti jantavaha. So all these vadas are nirakritaha. Shunyavadascha sadrupopadanatva angikaradeva nirasto veditavyaha. And Shunyavada is negated when we say sadrupa upadanam, because everything is experienced as sat. Sat earlier we saw, and therefore Shunyavada Nirasa is done. Shunyavada later also again there will be Nirasa. Sixth shloka is for specifically Shunyavada Nisheda. Nanu कार्यस्यापि माया कल्पितत्वे प्राग इति च पुनरिति च कथम निर्देश इति चेत. If karyam is maya kalpitam, then earlier you said prang nirvikalpam, then punaha. What is prang and punaha? Means prak and paschat. What is there? Everything is maya kalpitatva only. Katham nirdesha iti chet naisha dosha. Para pratyayanaarthataya yatha vyavaharam praptanuvada matratvat. It is para pratyayana arthataya anuvada. Para means other. For pratyayanam means khyapanam, jnapanam. To make something understand to other person. So for us, we say there is no creation. But if somebody is interested in knowing about creation, then how do we have to explain? Then we will say, no. Para pratyayanam means there is creation. Before creation, it was like nirvikalpa. Now, because savikalpa is there, so you explain it that way. And they will ask, what is the Karanam? So you say, there is Karanam. Brahman is Karanam, but Brahman alone is not Karanam. Maya is also Karanam. Swapradanataya nimittam. Swa upadi pradhanataya upadanancha bhavati. In this way you explain, so they will be convinced. This is, remember the way I explain this is that if there is one big place, supermarket, where every darshana has their own shop, everyone wants to show, we will tell you how the creation has come. So Sankhya has said Parinamavada, Vaisheshika Nyaya, Arambhavada, Shunyavada has their own board. So now Vedanta says, I also want to tell these people. But if I just tell there is no creation, nobody will come to my shop. So what does Vedantin do? He also says, we will tell you how the creation has come. Then inside the shop, he has a small board. Ajatavada. There is no creation. But outside, for general public, the creation is this. Prak, Punaha, Maya. Maya means it is not there. That is what is called Maya. Like how a magician. Everything that is there. So don't think that Maya means there is something really Paramartha. It is just because I can't understand that there is no creation, so something I have to be told. Similarly about moksha also. So different people, different darshanas say, we will tell you how to get moksha. So Vedanta says, we will also tell you how to get moksha. You do this, you do that, everything. Then inside you go in the shop, then what does Vedanta say? You are already liberated. Mukti is your Swarupa. Correct? So, parapratyayana arthataya yatha vyavaharam prapta anuvad matratvad. Yatha vyavaharam prapta anuvad. As per the vyavahara, so accordingly, just this is anuvada only. Anuvada means ajnani jana drashtya anuvada. Whatever you are seeing, Shruti is just saying the same thing. So that is, those vakyas will not be pramana vakya. Those vakyas which are anuvadaka vakya of ajnani vyavahara, they are not called pramana vakya. Like when in Taittiriya Upanishad it is said, Sava Esha Purusho Anna Rasamayaha. This Purusha, this Atma is Anna Rasamayaha. So, can anybody use that as a pramana vakya? No, it is not pramanika. It is apramana. Why it is apramana? It is anuvada only. Laukika drishti anuvada. Anyantaratma pranamaya, anyantaratma manomaya, anyantaratma vijnanamaya, anyantaratma anand. All of them are only anuvada vakya. The real statement is Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma and Sayashchayam Purushe Yaschavasa Yaschasavaditya Sayaka. This is main teaching. Everything else is Adhyaropa. Tasmad Vaya Tasmad Atmana Akasha, then Vayu. This is all Adhyaropa Prakriya. So people, if they get carried away by just Vedic chanting only, that yes, I am going to memorize the swara, up, down, and for 50 years, all I am going to do is Veda Parayanam, or remain in Adhyaropa Prakriya only, that I know how there are 5 koshas, and I know the 5 elements, and there is Panchikaranam. All this is Adhyaropa. This is not what Shruti wants to show or want to teach. They are all Anuvada Vakyas. Evam sati na shruti virodho napi drashta virodha. So when you accept this, then Brahman alone is Karanam, therefore no Shruti virodha. And there is no drashta virodha because Paramarthasya sahakarino anangikarat iti sarvam anavadyam. For Paramartha Brahma, there is no other sahakari. Its own, whatever is supported, this Maya is also not different, not non-different. Maya is not different from Brahman, Maya is not different from Brahman. So, in this way, another sahakari is not there. Something which is other than Paramartha Brahma. So, sahakarino anangikarat, there is no such angikara, and therefore sarvam anavadyam. Anavadyam means dosharahitam, nirdushtam, anavadyam. Anavadyam shabda comes where, you know? In Sutra. What is the shloka of Sutra? Alpaksharam asandigdham saravat vishwatomukham astobham anavadyam cha sutram sutra vido viduh. So anavadyam means there is no dosha rahitam, nirdushtam. And astobham means vyartha shabda rahita. Stobham means vyartha shabda, like phat and all those shabdas, they are all like, you say no, om phat, so that they are all stobha shabda, astobham. Such shabdas are not there in Sutra. Maya sahakarikasya karanatvam kva upalabdham iti ata udaranam aha. See, Maya is sahakari. Where did you get such vyapti? Any other drishtanta you have to give where Maya can be sahakari karana. Maya sahakarikasya karanatvam kva upalabdham iti ata udaranam ha. We say we have an example. Maya viva iti. Maya viveti. So you see, wherever this iti comes, they are normally the shabda from the Moolam shloka. Like earlier also, Nanu karyasyapi maya kalpitatve prag iti cha punar iti cha. This kind. So prag, prang nirvikalpam, punar, they are all from the shloka. Mayavi shabda. What is the pratyaya? Vini pratyaya is there. There is one sutra, nice sutra is there. So I think it is good if you note down this sutra. As maya meda srajo vinihi. So any shabda like yashas shabda will be having vini pratyaya. Yashasvin it will become, not yashasvini. Like tejas, not tejasvini. Tejasvin prathama ekvachan will become tejasvi. Then Maya Shabda itself. Then Medhas. Or Medha. So Medha Shabda itself. Medhavi. Medhavin will become Medhavi. In this way, so this sutra number you note down, 5 to 121. 5 to 121. I never thought when I will teach, I will be giving Laghu Sutra numbers. I thought only Brahma Sutra numbers I might give. This is a real miracle only in my life. But anyway, it is helping. Next word, there is one akara is left out. Mayavi, Loka Prasiddha Aindrajalika. Mayavi. Mayavi means a magician in the world who is very well known as the one who spreads Indrajala is called Aindrajalika. Indrajala yasya asti saha Aindrajalika. Tadhita pratyaya. Sa yatha mani mantradi prayoga संक्षुभ्यमाण माया मात्र सहायो रथ गज तुरगाद्यनेकम जगत् सृजति तथायम ईश्वर इत्यर्थः. Just as the magician with the help of mani mantra adi prayoga, by that sankszubhyamana maya matra sahayo. Sankszubhyamana means kshubh dhatu is for chalanam, so that which creates a disturbance. Literal meaning is some disturbance, means something which is there, it causes to appear as different. With the help of mani mantra adi sankszubhyamana maya matra sahayo ratha gaja turagadi, he produces chariot, elephant, horses, all of these things. Adi anekam jagat srijati, with his own the magic maya matra sahaya. Tatha ayam Ishvara. In the same way, this Ishvara also has his maya. You see, give another example. So we will give you drashtantantar maha api mahayogi va yas swechhaya iti, and also mahayogi iva. Api shabd. So here Mahayogi means somebody who has Yoga Shakti. So Yoga Shakti person with his Yoga Tapobala, he can create things. Like how Bhagavan Ganesha is created by Parvati ji through Yoga Shakti. Mahayogi iva yasvechhaya iti. अपि ही दृष्टान्तयोर मिथ समुच्चयार्थः. अपि शब्द is there in the shloka. मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महायोगीव. So what is that api? Api is to show that both drishtanta paraspar samuchay, both you will have to use. So there is Maya Shakti also Ishwar has, and Ishwar has Yoga Shakti also. बाह्य सहकारी साधन हीना संकल्प मात्र सहकारिणो यथा योगिनः विश्वामित्रादयो. ही गिव्स एग्जांपल ऑफ विश्वामित्र ऋषि. बाह्य सहकारी साधन हीना, नो अदर एक्सटर्नल सहकारी साधन. सहकारी साधन इज नॉट देयर. बाह्य सहकारी साधन हीना संकल्प मात्र सहकारिणः. ओनली थ्रू संकल्प सृष्टि आई विल क्रिएट स्वर्ग. Vishwamitra Rishi told Indra when Trishanku Raja, he did yajna for Trishanku Raja to go to Swarga in this body itself. Indra said, no, nobody is allowed here in that human form. Human body smells so bad. Vishwamitra Rishi said, but I have done yajna and I have given him my vakya. So you have to allow him. Otherwise, I will create another Swarga. So he created another. This is Yoginaha. Vishwamitradev Vichitram Jagat Bhogakshamam Arachitavantaha. Vichitra with all variety, and it can give you Bhoga. Bhogakshamam Jagat Arachitavantaha. They created. Iti पुराणादिषु प्रसिद्धम, इन पुराण एक्सेट्रा इट इज़ वेरी वेल नोन। तथा एव ईक्षण मात्रेण स्वेच्छा, स्वेच्छया शब्द इज देयर, सो बाय ईक्षण, दैट इज ईक्षण, स ईक्षत लोकानुसृजा इति ऐत्रेय उपनिषद, तदैक्षत छांदोग्य, सो अकामयत इत्यादि ऐक्षण मात्रेण स्व इच्छा पर पर्यायेण भगवान अपि विचित्रम जगत सृजेत इति। सो बाय one's own इच्छा, स्वेच्छा पर पर्यायेण means स्वेच्छा पर, in this way you have to understand, by based on one's own इच्छा, पर्यायेण means विकल्पेन, this way that way whichever way, भगवान अपि विचित्रम जगत सृजेत, न अत्र असंभावना कार्या इत्यर्थः। हियर you should not have this doubt that this jagat is impossible through Ishvara. So just as the magician is free to create, yogi is free to create, in the same way Paramatma is also free to create, not paratantrataya, swatantrataya, that is swechha is this, that whatever is his ichha he will create. न अत्र असंभावना कार्य इत्यर्थः. सो विथ दिस श्लोक व्याख्या इज ओवर. भगवान अपि विचित्रम जगत सृजेत. श्लोक व्याख्यां प्रतिजानीते अस्याम अभिप्राय इति. नाउ दैट श्लोक ऑफ दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रम, इट्स व्याख्या प्रतिजानीते. प्रतिजानीते, व्हाट इज द धातु? हाँ, नो, ज्ञा धातु. प्रतिजानीते मीन्स प्रतिज्ञाम करोति. सो सुरेश्वराचार्य जी डज प्रतिज्ञा वाक्य नाउ. अस्याम अभिप्राय, द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वी शैल टेल यू. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.